both sides of the Tweed. It's talking about living together. There is another Scottish song which says, English steel we could disdain safe in the parlour station, but English gold has been our bane, such a parcel of rogues in the nation. The Scots, they were always sort of out for making money, and very many of the lords were paid off by the English. If you remember that film, Braveheart, Robert the Bruce's father has returned from the Crusades in Jerusalem, and he's got leprosy, and he's always sort of trying to persuade his son that take the English gold and betray Wallace. And through the movie, his leprosy, it starts just rather sort of mild, but as the movie goes on, the corruption in his face is a sort of metaphor for the corruption in his mind, that he would sell his own people out for gold. So both sides of the Tweed is don't offer bribes, and then people won't take them. So it's a plea that there would be justice and friendship and honour on both sides of the River Tweed, which separated Scotland from England. A little bit of background for the story, for the song. It's a spring, breathe in jasmine and rose. What's a summer way on its gay train? Oh, it's a splendor of autumn to those who have bartered their freedoms for gain. Let the love of our land's sacred right to the love of our people succeed. Let friendship and honor unite, oh, flourish both sides of the Tweed. Let virtue distinguish the brave, oh, place riches in lowest degree. Think them poorest who can be but a slave, and them richest who dare to be free. Let the love of our land's sacred right to the love of our people succeed. Let friendship and honor unite.